After all these things, share the no. Mamencho taxes no. Almost 30 years ago, hey. 2014, 15. 2012. Yes, Mahama Bedi president no. Shade be the news file. Gabby Ochidako arrogance. No me have power. Na Gabby called news file. Na kweku ba kwetebo. Kweku ba ko na coach Gabby what to do and what to say. That was when they were defending AKUFO. Now Obi Bashar because hey, when they like Ghana, yeah. They were building their resumes and making you look like you are a stupid fool. I remember when Gabby Ochidako walk off set. What happened? He came back again to sit down and you play. They think you are foolish. And no, this is Gabby Ochidako. See the rudeness.
Comments or you walk off the set? I will walk off the set. I've apologized to your viewers and listeners.
Gabby, don't let us get there.
If you ask me to apologize to you, I'll walk off your set.
Okay, Gabby, you can take a leave.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. This is News File on Joy 89.7 FM.
Now, let me show you something where the acting is. Remember in 2011, Tatana Mahama Bedi president. May he so rest in peace. Or no question Gabby on News File. Or question Gabby. Na kukuba akutiwo. And another Gabby to Gabby was lying. And Omane may he so rest in peace. A very intelligent man. Nyankopon nanke di say Omane salaka omane na mono Omane Boamewu. Abro nyene na mo. What Omane Boama did was that he questioned Gabby. Now time Gabby can say he was going to get offset, no. He was giving him a signal, don't go, stay. When Mama Yacho, actors, Kwekubako was telling Gabby with his eye, do not leave, stay.
Comments or you walk off the set?
I will walk off the set. I've apologized to your viewers and listeners.
Gabby, don't let us get there.
If you ask me to apologize to you, I'll walk off your set.
Okay, Gabby, you can take a leave.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. This is News File on Joy 89.7 FM, and we are. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. This is News File on Joy 89.7 FM, and we are also streaming live from the Multi-TV studios. This is Joy News Channel. We apologize. I will apologize on behalf of the production of this show for this very development. Unfortunate though, but we have to move on. Thank you very much.
My brother.
Use this language. Gabby.
You consider founder of Ghana as stupidity.
That's why he's founder of Gabby.
You are even hitting me. What's all this stupidity?
Gabby.
Stop it. You're supposed to be an intellectual. You saw the program.
Gabby, will you listen to me? Gabby, listen to me. Gabby,
I find it a bit difficult to sit down with someone who can turn out this.
Gabby, will you listen to me?
You see, this is them. Gabby who fin. And the Omo guy just like Gabby. If Gabby owned a private jet, and the Gabby or start on nama or to suit, I can see and watch who fin. I say or a Navy officer. Some question for way. That is what they have been doing for years. 2011 year. You saw what he was doing. Omane Boama was just questioning him. Oh, they know Oyeno was the Nyansa Chomane, but Omane had read wide than that fool. Omane ni Nyansa ni my dear channel. But you saw what they were doing. They were portraying Gabby, an arrogant twerp like that, acting as if he said Obian to me canasem and calling somebody on set stupid, foolish. And ye Jimmy and a tam to me man kwasiafowi. They are doing the same thing. They are the Gabby surrogates. They will come. Hey, we don't understand. Why is the recruitment like that? We don't understand. John Mahama and the private jet, the jet John Mahama has taken. They are coming to act. Obrana echemuno. Sa osofo dadzi no obrano. And then a change ya bedu this news file no. Intinanse unya kantata nhwe, unya obranhwe, unya osofo dadzi. And no mobile no china chira wono. That is what they do. Ochina eche yambo Ibrahim Mahama and then the jet na asemesi ama for to paito. Ibrahim Mahama, hey. Nankamia or chin kura na mini or private jet. Mo de my lucky misimo. John Mahama no agent in tra. Nankami playing kame picture kura bohum. Shagabi of picture ko no fin as Somalia ni. And there ohuni pa ono and then the tongue cat and senka when you sika se them. That is what we are dealing with. I know these people. And today I heard Felix Ovosukwuachi can say in there or say NDC will not apologize for criticizing Akufo-Addo's luxury jet rental. Finito. No NDC member should apologize to any fool. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo illegally rented a jet. John Mahama has never, and he will never, and he shall not illegally rent any jets at the expense of the taxpayer. Until when you talk about illegality being perpetrated by a government, a president, it is Akufo-Addo. He's a criminal. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo went to rent a jet every hour, 17,000 euros. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is a criminal. And nobody in the NDC should sit on any platform and apologize to Akufo-Addo for his criminality. Me person be back John Mahama has committed a crime and the mocha conflict of interest. And more. Do you understand what conflict of interest is? And John Mahama did the birthday. Nana yiri to cake brena. Mon kanjen say wa commit a crime. And more. Do you understand conflict of interest? Boy na onene mami wo the same age, you know. Lawyer Nkuta Jine. Akwara ne to na no se baby no. Wakati now say, Asempa, you know, John Mahama, why did he take his brother's jet? He has committed a conflict of Asiedu to be called school. And John Mahama di bed na yere kotoshet mana a conflict of interest because any sana yere to atade any cake money di. Moya mwa. Criminals, Jimmy 4 MPP 4. Nobody should apologize to Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo committed a crime. What he did was against the state. He's a foolish president. Or Tamgana Sika no doko rent jet. Me person be better TV because John Mahama Tamgana Sika ko rent jet. Hey, na sebio na Nketia na kotu forward jet no de ma John Mahama say on top petrongum fan tu kwan a kakwasie ba better say conflict of interest. Ko sura santeman ko mutumi nka. Emmo atani de ne bodwe. Sanketi krom ha and kotu for say to jet. And na Odiama John Mahama say right now, we are waiting to get a new jet for the president, and the Falcon cannot be trusted. If you want to use my jet, John Mahama used me jet, no, to Petro Guma, and Kamubaga said John Mahama committed conflict of interest in Kwasia 4. Said John Mahama never put 2-4. Said John Mahama or 2-4 and papa. You are foolish people. Part way more Jimmy more MPP 4, and nobody's going to apologize to Akufo-Addo. Kwasia 4. That's more boy now when you China mama no. And obi kan Akufo-Addo we obeko high sense fridge mu no ono obi high sense fridge ma betuma kan ahyem kwase asem obedi nkwase asem ye beka na mubu ofu obedi kwase ne beka na mubu ofu mo say the conflict of interest Akufo ye papa Akufo or appointing ni nua baema ono ni free maame baako papa baako as the defense minister kwase afo. You are talking about code of conduct. Hey mo me yakọ echi a ni take step back a ye bebubu mo busuan dan ni nyina before the mo papa Akufo or appointing ni nua bema or any free maame baako papa baako as a defense minister and no conflict of interest oh mo me take steps back a ye bebubu mo busuan dan atu ogu se ye ka se ye ko echi a mo busuan dan ye bebubu na atu ogu Akufo-Addo ya papa Akufo. I appointed my brother as defense minister because I knew he could deliver. And there will be near boro ni jet amaye abra ekuro kakraka etimi Falcon na o de call Russia kra say ajantra fo ntirem nko Morovia kra mo nko no and then a president nko tirem kwase afo was a conflict of interest. What is this? This is a disaster of presidency. E Jimmy fo asifo MPP fo where any conflict of interest. Yet na Ghana ma Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebusuafo 52 were at the Jubilee House. But the list be kire mo. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebusuafo 52. Na omuti Jubilee House. Omo appointment in Kwasiafo. You are talking about code of conduct. In think plenty or two for them and Kodema John Mahama. Come on, friend is saying. Chieftaincy affairs. More MPP for me more. Nobody is going to apologize to anyone in Ghana. Obianiwo Akufo-Addo committed a crime, and we will always make sure we remind Echirima yenya president bia na otumiko high sense fridge ma odi esika di nkwasi asem ko di ajantra for eye Akufo-Addo. We will never stop saying it. Yabeka kopin so bewu, ada obewu ni yabeka. Gentle president, yeka modi mu Jimmy, wa kwara ketekete when you cha wo maame, wa notice koto baby, abegina and the dwen and the lawyer Nketiah abuofunu, Ghana law na efuntra. Ghana law NFO and akwase bia tumi lawyer wa Ghana. Nanka sankwase se wetu alternative so aka. Ye 52 family members of AKUFO. 52. He gave all of them appointments. Kwasiafo, you forgotten all these things. Make him the list na chiremo. $17,000 an hour. Euros. Satana euro na ho din chen dollar ni bebre. Na achichidie we obeko hisense free gym. AKUFO ubia hisense we obekom. No twitwa jene ene salad cabbage afra no na de nyoma kakra sardine kakra na salad di AKUFO okopie ekrom ti se Poland mbema ne atenten gram omne na kofra salad di kwasiafo mo de bia koto de ne bodwa nti anya den. The plane belongs to his brother, John MAHAMA'S brother. Yes, the government told you almost say they are buying the fuel. They don't tell you don't cook. They also don't tell you organ no funny Jimmy cook. Conflict of interest, code of conduct. Most ankora we am draws and getting Nketia. Mo share down one papa be we asem mo betra redu kan kwasi asem. Me say plane no sanka yo tun for dia and come back say conflict of interest. Me bu some MPP for plane na Ibrahim Mahama oya Ghana ni edieboro ni bra. Sade bra ento petrongum enfa endi Ghana dwuma no. Sanka yo tun for say tutu dia and come MPP ntwamwa come back say conflict of interest. Da bi ende nana dia. Nana dia ntimi nka. Ya nana no ya hia santifo vote. Nwan mo party we mu yankwasiafo. Mo party we mo yankwasiafo. Munim nyansa MPP for mo Jimmy. Now mama ncheche bi mu nchira mo. Under MPP AKUFO aban, presidency confirms use of presidential jet by Liberia's George Weah. Ya tamfa ko ne de koma George Weah. Ena George Weah ne die jantrafo ne enti krom ha. And AKUFO ya tamfa ko ne de koma George Weah na George Weah de used to fa ko no e wo Liberia. George upon Weah under AKUFO's regime ya tam Ghana fa ko ne koma another president mani use here. Mumu enwan on. Kwasiafo enti nanka yen nyina yen sori ye de yen koto abama Bawumia. Say take a step back ya kasi ye ko echi kakra ye bebu mobusu dan atogu mi ka bibia mo me take back step be me ansa bia ye take 1 2 3 step back ye bebu mobusu dan nyina atogu ye mpese ye be sa ye mpese ye be ko back ako take steps ye take back slide kakra 1 2 3 mobusu dan nyina bebu atogu ne ati krom ha and AKUFO ye de presidential jet ne koma president foforo no oyusu na AKUFO rent jet enam kwasiafo. Today you are talking about conflict of interest, code of conduct. Momo jimi on. I know sometimes me shamu sa me se mo pe power. Mo de yedai, mo de power na yedai. Yentam to me mana Samira Bawumia enfa plane nko tena Chad. On time plane nko tena Chad. No ne nuanu kura de nantwie be say yefuo kura yen kan ho asem kura mpo no. Kwasi asem ne kura yen kan ho asem. Yantam plane ma Samira Bawumia. Don't for plane go see Chad. Now, upon we are every single day, you plane is in Liberia, and upon we are the jantra for Ghana in and out. Every day, upon we are Friday, not to Ghana. Or to Abibi and Chain. Or sorry, I know near Abibi and Nam. Now you play no movie on my Instagram video. I bet you because see a 4. Upon we are near Tigana and Yentia taxes man no. Upon we are now obi yin say or you be president no. Na AKUFO in the MPP kwasi afo tam play na mano. Now I start to play na be DMA or Ghana no sa akọ kwasi afo. Today you are saying what? Would you say any refinyoma me say this government might struggle a little bit, but we are always going to remind you people. We are always going to remind you people. The reason why we were reminding is I know because the NDC, that is why Ghanaians voted for the NDC. Why are they going back to the past? If we don't go back to the past, we wouldn't know where we are headed. In today, be able to past, no. And what NPP does not like is Ghanaians being reminded of the past. And that is why I am here. The kaikalization is very important. Yabe kai Ghana for adia MP before penny say I sana mo say nya ade e na mo di tumi maaye ade nende mo bo ye din hwe ne yambo di yanko bo wan din yanko bo abibie din kwasiafo yabe kai Ghana for what you did, and we will make sure we help this government to succeed. Enti dia mo ye no ene ne de be guide your future, because ye ntwe ni anhwe echi anhwe kwasiafo te samo a we wouldn't see ahead. Enti de bia ne ye pese ye kai mistakes. The mistakes na ye man kwasiafo te samo be di power. Moses said, "Busiafo, as I say, we for good Jubilee House, Ebeka Fox Self, and in Kwasiasama Mudiano, we will remind the people that we are not supposed to go back to U12s again." Into the remindation and the remindation and the remindism and the calculation, the remindism, the remindation and the remindfolding and the calculation, we are not going to stop. Yenja any uncle Didier, more bodam, Yebejina Moswa Kai Ghana for the Bia and Kwasiadia Moye. As much as things are tough, we are trying to solve, we will remind the Ghanaian. Because Ghana for memory and channel refia de into the Bia de Bekayomo. May I call the next Black Friday, dear, may the Fabi Bia and make Ghana for the Bia and a Friday. Na yet to one among Kwasia for Beka plain as some. Yet Tiana Mwanga some MP Beka say, oh, and Ibrahim Mahama. Time na MPP na NDC na power, MPP na power. Mwanga some MP bekache say, San Kenya Ibrahim Mahama anka owisa boa. That's where is the story? Yatiana mwamu MP bekache say, San Kenya Ibrahim Mahama plana or the manwa anka owisa boa. None of you guys, Musika form the Sikama mo party didn't kwasia some Ghana. Obiano wa tomato plane wa Ghana. En kwasia car no moto to team o Ghana, kwasia moto din kwasia cars. Mwanga samu MP. Eye ni may so rest in peace. John Kuma obewu wa santimwemu sa akokɔ. Kwasia fo. And the same Ibrahim Mahama ni plane e save mubi. Me see plane no. Sa plane ya ye kan ho asemi. Se enka ayotumfo dia ke beka se conflict of interest, because otumfo the ban Ibrahim Mahama and John Mahama ana ha enka se conflict of interest dabi ene de otumfo ye nana ye enka bibia koto de ne bodwe nwan omodwa na bodwa kora me charge mate se eyi Salakao se kasa me se MPP hwe hwe mi hwe asemi Salakao waka muntie Salakao
as a national third vice chairman. Your program, na your party program. Let me say party program there. There. Me front lane. So me who say president ni, vice president ni, chairman ni, first vice, second vice. Me name say me na me count. So me seat. We are one crowd now. The me seat kwa bonting. And actually me penny because I am the chairman there. So me akunja say over front. Makusa ntakwasa ama me makunja ti ho. Who dare you to even touch? Want to be for usanka makunja. Protocol officers no nyina nimi. Mbeti matina. One first no. On say there say me kano. On say mbeti matina last be mete yaye program na meeting anim na finance minister keno for that o na keno for that ba na sitting ho na cabo ba ebe cabo ba me ho straight na Kate Jonfu a we woman organizer no ti ho na nana bi asafa nana bi ni ho na Dr. Chana ti last na minister our front row ha na ministers bi si was bi o mba si was be no motiti ho so na cabo ba me ho straight e catch me say keno for ata eba me sorry emba keno for ata ntina honum no won ba bia me kuma duru no enyesa ye wo public place na camera da so na nka edition et se me mbo cabo to ho. So honum no mentimi control me hard na me catch cabo wa bodamana na me say me sorry as a national vice chairman of the party, national third vice chairman. So chairman no na bibia no by that time so me so na chairman me not second vice no na first vice no na to ho. So by that time no say bibia me na nka me be che grounds no. Now Ubasa me as a national third vice chairman no, me sorry. Na kenofori atambe tenasi. No so me yesa but na me say masa.
Also yesa dey.
O say me yesa na ohun say mansori mana kunja na me be pe bibi no ho. Na me say me pe bibi no ho ye party no din na me di be kono ho. As a person no me nko sire ni sika na me nko ye there. Me the national officer of the party. If I need something I have to call him politically. Now me order na me catch and say I need this thing because I'm the national officer of the party. So one man me reporting to the president because the president is my friend. President, where dear maps apaja me sama president. One nana do don kwa AKUFO na pema sem to say
I know.
You see, even Anojo can be a my friend of yes. There is no me AKUFO office that na me kona AKUFO no mo say AKUFO e busy me kombra no.
Oh sir, utie I deal with very very well. I pity this guy and tough more MPP mu. At time is despicable. In tough more MPP mu I say ejanain. Onwe dina na oboboso no. Kiti mfua nanabi na omu nyina tete ho ne obobo akamfo ni din ba ni nua tani a sebio owa MPP ma wagimi te se ono Anthony Kabo be ka kire ono tani ni se sori wakonwa so na kan ni metena so ne bia me ka kire mo ntafo na mo MPP mu se mo agimi de bia me ka kire mo ntafo na mo MPP mu se mo agimi me nya kwara me nyi panyini onwe dina na obobo no yes on sorry ono tani ni sorry as third vice chair na akamfo no tantance ni ankofa kenofuri atameta na konwem wo so onte ase we open the position and show ultra the show across in front of open the position. But you see, when you listen to this Salakau, his level of thinking and how weak-minded and foolish he is. So obia wa or obada the chia obana na no be fem obeka say ade we na me dey chire. O sibia we lower ne ho. Wo sibia na nyonko tani abeka chen say sorry. Na kan ni ntina se eni ntina nde ukọ akamfo ni kromu bia bebi ti se kumase obitumi bie na no eye asantefo ni bitumi ka se montafo mombompa ye na momba esa asantefo na ye ni asantefo ma esa abrofo ebi na wo hu no ho no utumi hia asantini bi na we bie na no aka na okageti se montafo no mombompa ye na momba esa ye ni asantefo because ye ni asantefo ye be esa abrofo na ma be hia ya nan. That is how low at 10 years or MPP, that is how they see him. And one, on one say be a number or catch them. Ninu 10 years, I might say 9 of party in 9ization. These are shipments in 9. Na me papa niya, na me tertiary institution, na me wo ebia high school, na me classmate shwe me papa kan kwase akeka say ya. Na masabe fia be fro nam obodam. You are very foolish. So the partner with Timono, nobody respects you as a human being. In Rejimiji because of Yoka, me de AKUFO do me papa or do me AKUFO do de or no old Mr. Jimmy, Papa Penitoto, who are brochia, anka wo yako pension, ujina oya papa kwa AKUFO do me, media, there is no way or do me Mr. Jimmy. Why do I say pure? Unimunyansa. You have nothing to protect. Itu general kano or say and kanyanya menek ba mua time ni nua tani Anthony Kabo be ka chen so onsora konwa so no anka nega moment si ho a nega moment. Do you know what a nega moment is? Anko won sekan but se na o hwe front ho a ti bia na kuma no aye duduru no na kuma ye duduru anka nega moment si ye because sanko anhwe ne surround na sibia na kuma ye duduru na anka nega moment si ye anko ne the face so. This is foolishness to the highest level. Jimiemu intellectuality. The esiyeri nyina na study a just akamfo ne ka kire tani ba ko cheko ka kire onia tani ba ko na owo position say on sorry na konwa so na kanini ni metrase. This is a party a nipa onim nyansa wo ye tani ye siremuni ye nkremuni edi ekire. Omu boom some Jimmy Mumu binta for that more MPP muno. They use you people like rags. And nobody in the MPP respect any northern. I'm telling you. In Kofona catch us a party, I come for party. And from time you say, catch say, Montafono, Moyamon kwa. It does not matter how you people dance, how you people fool yourselves, how you people pretend or see yourself as intellectuals. MPP account for whom some way nine. And more in time for more MPP, it shocks me, say, you are still not seeing it. Who dares in the NDC to walk upstage and say, Harry Naidrusu, sorry wakonyum, Muntaka, sorry wakonyum, Ayaragas, who born dog? What about my side of NDC? Nobody, because everybody sees everybody the same. We respect each other. And that is the uniqueness of the NDC. So NDC, Abuja, Harry Naidrusu Atnase, Ayaraga Atnase, Muntaka, Intafono Muwo, now what sorry I say, oh, sorry, my Atofos and Metanase, and simple that. But in the MPP, you will nine and almost some at this year. And a typical Ojain, any in nine, Ebini Kabo, Ebini Salakao, Mustafa, Salam, Sa, a young Kwasiafono, Omu Yusu, the Dim Kwasiasem. This is the nigger moment I've been telling you about. So, Diana Kenyano, a drew baby no say, and Kanyana Kuma be a na duru and nigger moment you had. Tieno, cause nigger moment, yes.
As a national third vice chair, met your program, na meeting anim. Na finance minister, Keno for that, na Keno for that, but not sitting home. Na Cabo by Ebe, who is Cabo by me, straight. Na Kate Jonfua, our woman organizer, no Tiho. Nana B, Nana B, Asafana B in ho. Na Dr. Chana T, Lassie.
Our front row. Na
ministers be see was be o mba see was be no moti ho so na Cabo ba me ho straight e catch me say Keno Foriata eba me sorry emba Keno Foriata antenna honum no won be bia me kuma duru no enya sorry emba Keno Foriata antenna honum no won be bia me kuma duru no enya sa ye wo public place na camera da so na nka edisi et se mimbo Cabo to ho emba Keno Foriata antenna honum no won be bia me kuma duru no enya sa ye wo public place na camera da so na nka edisi et se mimbo Cabo to ho emba Keno Foriata antenna honum no won be bia me kuma duru no enya sa ye wo public place na camera da so na nka edisi et se mimbo Cabo to
wonu wa jimi ho rumu on na bibi me kuma du na nka nega moment yesi ho odi ni atedi ni komo de be yam kawo se nantwem ye na fom bibrim pupura ada ye kwa ma kamfo ye kwa ma santefo party o yo dwan wo ye do be disalasa ko bizo be wo huhumu ye chenu wo sarakao ya bow duam e na huhum ye do disala sala bia betwa onai ba ko e wo huhumu wo ye do be disalasa wo jimi wo ye sala na ntwie mu achacha bo wachi e na wonam party nim wo yo dwan na hu di party na chi see you so for ma bi tititi o e na ntodi Cabo to mu a be ka just sorry anka eni wakuruma no sibia wakuruma huru ye no anka nega moment besi unim nega moment na meka no kome wo mo ho nsekan omo mienu ka dubrim omo papa plastic chairs ni nyina inentwia kase mienu sokoto gudali mienu ediabo sokoto gudali mienu aka bom e wo stage so kome say bibia gudalis when two gudalis meet and you don't fence it they will destroy the farm. Enti nkasa sokoto gudali mienu no e ka dedi no kase sibia no makuma wuru no ohun na nka Cabo onya ka me bodu to form gudali no sokoto gudali na the jeans na eji no ho jimilization na nka ebe fe to wemu omo jimi brutal MPP nim me se entaforo mo MPP nim no sokoto fo no omo MPP in tough one, Jimmy, we want to grow. Omo ya omo so omo no slaves or party. Yeah, steady party ye pa steady ne. Otis obi Jimmy or party mu park kan kwase some teni. Otis obi Jimmy. Ya o Jimmy bia e undefined. Ya o Jimmy bia so e refined. Also be Jimmy refined one a MPP teni. Adintra or yeah for people to notice him say we nipa wo because all along they don't see them as humans. Aka 7 days near this sala. Ye dini bedi wo upeo che ni gu nine. Upeo che ni gu nine. U ye du bedi sala. Wo sala cow. Udi baby ako achacha bochi. Mia na be isi kana be twa achacha no tsraw. Abuofunu what political party mama. Ye catch us a third vice sorry wa konwam. Sa dey no nko so resigning. And so do Jimmy the Otokan Kanti ha Makume Wuru no oh preach nigger moment. You are talking about nigger moment, Sokoto Gudali. You a Gudali like you. Say my catch them. Me say mo party na mo join no. Omo duane ni o.
Eye adoa bi enim kontromere. Hwe adoa no. Wahu. Ane gum do so no. Hwe ni ti no. Wahu ni ti no. Aha, once na neighbor. Adoa bi ni sent no. Se wahu ni ti no. Sa video fansa ba koma no so hye like fama wumia. Faboso ti no. Aha, once na neighbor. Adoa bi ni sent no. Ti no. Aha, once na neighbor. Adoa bi ni sent no. Se wahu ni ti no. Ti no. Bene me call mafuom ni makonya adoa. Ana makuno. Oh, adoa hwe ne nine. Oh. The 90 pencil. Oh, adoa. The tino de abofo no. Me ana me fa taste. Adoa so ne nkwa de. Ana ni bi no piniha. Fatum. Ana ni bi no piniha. Ana ni bi no piniha. Fatum. Momu hwe ni bi no. Aha. Ana ni bi no piniha. Fatum. Momu hwe ni bi no. Aha. Ana ni bi no piniha. Fatum. Momu hwe ni bi no. Aha. Unu se be ma ya tan no ati akurase a adoa bi ni nko a. Eye adoa bi ni enim kontromere. Hwe adoa no. Wahu. Ane gum do so no. Hwe ni ti no. Wahu ni ti no. Aha. Once na neighbor. Adoa bi ni sent no. Se wahu ni ti no. Sa video fansa ba koma no so hye like fama wumia. Faboso. More transparency. More person man say ye. More person o mari jana na so. Then you are forcing people to go into corruption. In this alternative, when I say MPP for na attack Muntaka, and he should come. And what did the Afenyo Markin can? Afenyo Markin catch the Ghana for say. Afenyo Markin catch the Ghana for say. Come out. Maybe some chebu be near Quadim. Show nani has started no. Afenyo Markin catch the and the Afenyo Markin catch the Ghana for sorry. That's not what I'm looking for. Afenyo Markin in minority. Almost say Ghana for young halty a military recruitment process and young halty na adentra. It is because their people were not picked. It is because bloggers' husbands near the The reason why I came to parliament, they want to attack Muntaka. Every day they have an issue. They say first, they knew say Saudi way they easy more. Now they are not getting it. Muntaka is not bending. How can you tell us say processor I do this point in halt process for what reason? When detecting corruption, Diana, have you been able to bring any evidence to parliament to prove say Muntaka has done anything corrupt and some corruption has been detected? The last time Afenyo Markin started in parliament and making allegations against Muntaka in this same processes, Adiachin also sorry or bois. Kwasia we as say halt the process on what basis? Bloggers' husbands in it. Very irresponsible group of animals because they think say Jimmy. See BBL men, bloggers' husbands, Jimmy for enomugum because these are the people they think they feel entitled. They are no more, still they also
Why should we halt the processes? All because Afenyo Markin, he's used to having numbers and taking the numbers, selling it and making money and telling people, say, my family constituency, Juma. But you called for transparency. You called for accountability. You called for a government that will serve the people. You called for a resetting of the nation. So why are you today making it look like, say, NDC for us? Take your time and go to the respective agencies. You will see NDC for Omunye Jumaye. Say Ndru Uswa and Chese Obi Town, Obi neglectful. What do you mean by Partisan neglectful? John Mahama na oba wonaso and ubedi nkoma unya reshemni ni adwuma no ede na waye. Have you woken up one day for John Mahama to say if the opportunities are there on farmer or the common people for? No. So why do we allow some people a personal hatred be for some things be to come and destroy what we are building? The NPP is a stupid political party. This is under NPP. In 2018, NPP 4 nipa 84,000 application, almost for 500 pe. Also, party neglected. Now, Papa Penny TikTok can say, you neglect grassroots. And 2018 NPP never power. Omoji applications in 84,000, nipa 500 pe. And the applications buy the pile up and they which 500,000. And so far 150,000 almost cross it to the next stage. Yeah, Penipa just saying 12,000 for it's not easy. So why do you make it look like say Obi Town, Obi time Disney, Obi and time Disney? This is 2018. NPP Immigration Service recruits only 500. Mumusa NPP for say in 2018, did they give the 84,000 people their money back for the application? Samia Ukukwa champagne kwatibota begina give their money back. Afenyo MAAKYE wenya henia attrition in antem and they ope MAHAMA'S fund. This is the nonsense we deal with. And you, the NDC people, you fall for these gimmicks. You fall for this nonsense. All because you are too emotional. You have emotions in your politics. So you have to have this very long horizon. You need to look at things in a wider picture. Because all the emotions in your politics are, say, as some people can't and now the politics, you can never do politics. Say, it is going to make you react. You find your politics. It can never get you anywhere in politics. Say, oh yeah, NDC ni, and kwasiebiti Facebook, party about power, when it gets to you, it will destroy you. Yeah, because you need to understand what governance means. You find emotions in your politics. This is the same MPPO. Mumbusa say 84,000 for we omusika Sa 84,000 Ghana for no. Sa ankora we omo refund sika momo. And the kwasia for they are screaming. Omo to koko, omo tutum, omo nim ko. Catch say, and at the end, you see, it is deliberate. Omo MPP for no, omo nya protocol biya. Muntaka is saying it should be fair. The same MPP. Omo Interior Minister, your friend Henry Korte. Security services overwhelmed by 90,000 applicants with only 12,000 slots. Mumuzam 90,000 for nobody. Omo apply no. Omo refund. The foolishness of the MPP. Omo yankwasia for, and we keep wasting our time on these foolish people. We keep wasting our time on the MPP because NDC for you get too emotional quickly. You make some people sit on TikTok and try to make you emotional. Don't get emotional about these things. When I say open the country to work for everybody. The NDC neglect will be a so will be decided show Trima. You might miss an opportunity. Sebio, immigration, police, fire service, and Ghana. The government is still going to open opportunities at other avenues. Why are you not looking at that picture? Anamebwa. The government is going to look at other avenues. Ochina Osedian, John Mahama is going to commission a farmer service center. Do you know? And what do you know? There are so many opportunities around. Inti mema obi intina TikTok because of the way they feel. Maybe they are pained because they want things to be done their way. You see, in politics, there are a lot of selfish people. And if you're not smart, they will make you think, say, they are speaking for you. They are not. There are a lot of selfish people in politics. And a lot of them are on social media, like on TikTok. And the issue is, you might think, say, Okasama, Onkasama, on one personal hatred, who did not get angry when the KWABENA was in power. Why did we all speak against the KWABENA's regime? Because near say, na KWABENA war no, no neglecting majority of Ghanaians and on in the bush. Should Mahama do the same thing? Na yesa utibwana nkasa na wen. Utibwana wo de from wo say inti o ka cha akra ne say ko wo the grassroots and then this me say me eko I will never beg anybody. The way you put your life on the line, I also put my life on the line. I will not beg a single soul to vote for NDC in 2028. Never. And sometimes you people think say we have to be begging you for you people to understand issues. No. Me eko bedu. I will never beg anybody. Na sebio, where the 18, nyamiama onyansa mwatu wabasi sabain, newe hundi abaini ye around you are. Mensambe paucho. No, that keep the same government. Because omo awutu omono, unim sestilo omwe Jimmy. I'm not going to do that. I am not that your journalist or your blogger who does the. I'm not going to do it. And I force you to also think and understand the issues and look at the issues from a very decent perspective. That is the thing. In the Afenyo Markin Parliament, then you ask yourself, now time and more power no. And then man refer this kind of, and the our chair say we should halt the process. Why? Because Ninko Funim
vote forms to 506,000 when you know that you have only vacancy for 5,000 people. You sold forms to 506,000 when you know that you have vacancy for 5,000. Then, apart from the 220 Ghana cedi per form, you are now going to charge them 1,600 for medicals. So, Mr. Speaker, so those who qualify for medicals, they'll go and do medicals. So you have about 200,000 going for medicals. When you know that even if all of them pass, you have vacancy for 5,000. Mr. Speaker, if 200,000, what is that? If 100,000 have even qualified for medicals, you know you have only 5,000. So you are going to get 160 million from the poor Ghanaian youth. 1,600 cedis, transportation not included. That is the fee. Meanwhile, you know that the person will not have access. Why do you do this? If all of them, even if 50% of them pass, even if 50% of them pass, that is 50,000. Yet you have only 5,000 vacancy. 5,000. And you are going to take 6,600 from each of them. Mr. Speaker, I do not think that this is the right approach. We've been told the minister will brief us, but the minister is here to brief us. Mr. Speaker, can the recruitment exercise be suspended so that these things are properly ironed out? Because the system that has been introduced, Mr. Speaker, for want of a better word, is duping the youth.
You see how stupid they see Ghanaians. I catch them say MPP for Jimmy. Ghana for. And some of you people give them the room to think, say, Jimmy. That is what hurts. When you people fall for their antics, this is his time. But today, he's speaking for the youth. Why is he speaking for the youth today? Because what you say, young people don't more Ghana and more Jimmy. Afenyo Markin is a first-class fool. Where Jimmy, he thinks everybody is stupid. And such a daft idiot. Politics na phone MPP ne mu emre into Otumbeye minority leader. In the NDC, Afenyo Markin can never become a majority or minority leader. Never. But you see, continuously, no, Yama Afenyo Markin MPP for the be amane who say Jimmy, and he thinks he can capture every Ghanaian youth and think so much Jimmy. This is his time. Kwasia, this is his time. Time and or more power no. Need the Busana say 90,000, almost 90,000 people no. Did anybody say they should stop the recruitment process? Even during 2018-2019, did they open application for every single person to apply? The foolishness of an MPP pig. Me politician and one politician michina no one time with Jimmy Amami Afenyo Markin. Ghana for because MPP for managing so nyansa. He is naturally born foolish. Now you have this sitting there and you are telling me say we should halt the process. Abra, during your time you did the same. You didn't refund any money. You even employed only 500 people. Now a politician who has no shame. A politician who is stupidly stupid. You just left office a year ago and you have over 500,000 people trying to get job at Nipa 5,000. You are not ashamed. Wait, sorry, we should halt the process. Are you not ashamed? Patricia Piejena or 212 Juneno on ferry. Some in Mugu MPP side, no, are they not ashamed as politicians? Monferry, you left power 1 year ago, and we have over 500,000 people looking for 5,000 jobs, and you sit there in parliament and you are still talking. Where is your sense of dignity? You make people see you people like we are moi. You left power just a year ago, and you left over 500,000 people, young people, sitting there without jobs. And today you are in parliament telling us to say you care for the youth. We are boa. We need self-respect. We need answer. Now you didn't go for where Kennedy Agyapong. No, me, I will not make a fellow human being I pay taxes to feed their sickness, to underestimate my reasoning power. I would never. 99% of these people standing there talking, we take care of their sickness. We are the ones who are taking care of their children, their wives, their dirty lifestyle. I will not make such a useless person come and underestimate my intelligence. Never. Without you, the taxpayer, Afenyo Markin wine. You at your point, at a point in Ghana, your history, you were able to employ only 500 people. You left a backlog of over 500,000 young people. They don't have morals. They don't deserve respect. We are not supposed to get up and say, we're an honorable person. Hardly do you hear me say honorable to a Ghanaian politician. Hardly do you hear me say that. Hardly. So let's study me tona. And I'm a languager. Hardly do you hear me say honorable. Honorable to a Ghanaian politician. I don't do that. You know why? Because majority of them don't deserve that title honorable. Majority of them, like Afenyo Markin, they are foolish. They just take advantage of the people. They think, say, when they switch seats, they have a different tone they need to use. All because they don't respect the intelligence of the taxpayer. So, Miyako, I am never going to allow such fools to play on my mind. Never. This is what happened under their administration. Forget them. Now, you see, Andra na me kasa afa fuel NPA increases fuel price floor for March 16th window. Petrol now 11.57, diesel pegged at 14.35. That's it. Andra me chere mo ha abano achire mu the reason why intia petrol any diesel cost. And every Ghanaian a chere on person be honest to yourself. A chere wankasa no the fact is there. And I applaud the government for being honest with Ghanaians. You have to petrol, and we all know the reason. And the reason is that we are watching the news every day. We are monitoring the news every day. Even in America, in Europe, every part of the world, fuel has gone up because of what is happening in Iran. Finito. The best this government can do for you, and they say, that's what the government can do. NDC bar power no, What they did was they brought the prices of fuel down because we were getting enough fuel. We were refining some of the fuel. Now, the fuel that was coming in is not coming in again. And you, can show bottom, and I'm can show bottom. So we all have to endure. And this is a government I respect. Oba America near two petrol ma. Obi Amejina TV zun. And they are two petrol America. Yatum. Because the people understand. That is how governance is. And I don't expect Edudi Tamaklo to come and sit on TV to be explaining himself. No. When the world market goes up, petrol goes up. When it comes down, it comes down. There is a reason, and the reason is rational. And you and I know the reason, that the war in Iran and that the blockage is causing the delay and the fuel hikes. That is it. Way long be any your problem. Mema ban when cap unko baby aso ko bobesia. Mema ban when yana you say okotan bibi, let us endure the endurance. Yes. About from the energy 9:22 near 3. Because I buy the general say mo dia jo mahama on that on twa wontro on sambe gina wani mu kan say na or say we all know the news. Yen nyina yedim the AC petrol yatum, let us endure. Say ye bie intokoni gina na bibia be ya aban bete so. And even in the processor nyoma air kosro emuya deno, this is what the government is doing for you. And Menoka say yes sorry and aban say petrol boko sra and the obey sika kakra upon NPP de kwose IMF in kwasumu omode ebo betu ye tiri so a bosumi miensa bia o se to petrol no aban say ye o se to light bill water bill any light bill no aban say the obey ne say sika kakra wonya no or the be den or the be save Ghana for kakra inti what light so and what nsuo so ene yemfa so kakra aban nya inti opese Ghana for ho hiha o mo kakra inti eye insuo ene kania aban ateso. PURCU announces reduction in electricity and water tariffs by 4.81%, 3.06% respectively from April 1st. Inti aban say se petrol boy ding sa bed na beda Ghana for so sa enkwasum na MPP de kwhya ase a bosum miensa bia no e wo se atum no and the aban se tika kakra ho a o de beti eno so kakra maye we ne aban omunim nyansa. Because one, the petrol prices na cost no any diesel price no, the government cannot control it. Now the government at least can control this one. And how is the government going to control it? En kwasuma MPP de ko share IMF deal mu a bosom miense bia to insuo any light mu no MP NDC aban say kakran kakra omonya no insuo any light so no edwuma de kakra edi no omo de bete ye kaso kakra ma yenti ate insuo any light so petrol de yentumi efri say ehwo asem no de eje ye ne ehwe so into we de ye ne betuma monitor kakran kakra sa na aban dwene. This is how governance is. Unya omomunim nyansa, omodwene ho a, omo find ways and means to try and save the situation somehow. The little they can do, they do it. Enti gidi gidi bia ni baby a. Gidi gidi bia ni baby a. Gidi gidi bia ni baby a. So ya to petrol ena ya te kanea eni nsuo so. Very simple. Let's move forward. Ochina, I want better TV so betie me kabro for enko bebia. Enko bebia. No kura na area to ho no. Endo na me ka kira ban no. Ka no kura na kire Ghana for enipa bia dodo ni nim nyansa. O ka no kura na omoso dia wo hwe na no abi na omo hwe. Omo nim dia ekoso omo nim ne kura no. Ade Ghana for chiri eni atro. Nti ende aban no ama Ghana for ehu no kura wom. Petrol no yatum. And yati light so, and yati petrol so, and no no. Yati light so, and yati nsuo so. Finished. Gidi gidi bianim. Thank you. Yamba yet tisa amabuna ye bunu tantan ni etwantro na ye tam we fa ha na ye di atro sa de ye twam. Say ye da ye nyina be di de no, anwo kire ba ye nyina be fem. That is the new Ghana. Asa me poucho platform we the money unique from all ochina Saturday. Wa go news file. Any TV3, go ahead, you may or oh, my brother. You know, when we look at the Hamas and the Iran Israel war, you can see that during the past, Ochina, you are my brother. Oh, please, let me continue. Oh, you know, please. Na samsa eneni. The num kankan oto. Oh, please. Jomo bayan 4 hours in kwasi asam kwa entumi sisa petrol sika. Petrol price no and America top petrol yatum $3.85, right? $3.85. Me say Science no meka no channel news file no entumi sisa petrol na bo entumi. Wo mo yankokora bebre koko hihye omoto. Omo mbegu no 80% koko hihye omoto. That is their work. They are paid for that. They can't change anything. Eyankwasi akeka no mo beka no. Oh, my brother, please let me land. You know we were in school together. You are my senior at the bar. Listen, what we are discussing yesterday, also Mr. Preko, you are also talking over him. That is why I say, not something about, please, I don't want to break this thing. I don't want us to go for commercial break. Please, you go. You have 2 minutes for you. But you gave me 1 minute, 30 seconds. I don't know why you allow this person. Oh, Mr. Mwaku, that is not fair. You know we are doing the show. People are listening. So please, let him talk. No, so I started. So as I was saying, when you look at the Digit and international marketing rating, but it is not right. Also, please, we cannot do this. People are watching us. Actors. Let me land. Let me fly. Let me shit. Oh, let me fart. Oh, please, it is me. I'm bald. Oh, you know, I didn't brush my teeth. Go. Sign on me 4 hours. Nyanse biama. Ense sa petruno. Ense sa bibia. Kobje adwuma bi ko we yebi. Kwasi afo wedding bi akọ. We bom nim nyansa. Adwa binifo omo jimi bebre na jimi
adwa bini enim kontromere hwe adwa no wahu ane gumdo so no hwe niti no wahu niti no aha wansa wansa na eba adwa bini ne sante no a se wahu niti no sa video fansa ba koma no so hwe like fama wumia Faboso, fansa ba kuma no so.
Papa kuma no so de enko enim wote wo ye eyi. Wa do abinifo. Ye ni omo na ye nim omo. Omo nyina nwumre afrafro omo nyina omagigi sika. De obeye adwuma ma MPP aboa no ene de obeye adwuma or expect say MPP ba power in 41 years a ye be ma the position beba. De sesia so ono ne nanfofo bi wo NDC mu a sebio o ye teacher di onya kakra omo no mo so to no ono so beba. De ono so ye civil servant a sebio why no so on the neutral a oni NPP for ni NDC for e wo points which ono so beba omo nyina beba neutrals. Neutral bia wo jezi. Neutral bia she jezi. Tie. Adwuma we o ma hye amamo. Me say ochina uhu de ono anticipate say obeka sekese obetie efiri say onim say next 41 years no ba omia be wini ene e wo de nadamfo eye NDC ni a nansia no ho kire na osoto ne kakra onim say NDC ebo na ono so beba ye wo de o MPP a sebio ono so de onim say so kasetia NDC a MPP fo no be frɛ na ma ne kakra ene ye wo de ono so aba onim bebi owo ohwese mu miani jimi omu ho a na wa fam se ne be ka so onim nyansa omu nyina wo mjesi omu de ba these are they are actors o omo so mo 12 o'clock na 2:30 ba ko mo nyati fufo ba ko hudi omu ya criminals ewifo. Oh, this is my brother. You know, when we come and work, we all eat together. Omu ya ewifo. They are criminals. These are actors. Omu free wa obekoro mo nyano mapeteshi. Over Konomo be a club, so you know, I am here before. When they are playing with you people, they are playing, they are liars. They are paid to come on TV. They are all paid, they take money. They are all doing this because they need something. Mamka Vincho. Sanko from TV so Saturday and open enough for one day Jimmy about TV so and up for 4 hours and then the 2 hours so on for Caprenco in Koya. Negotiations upon negotiations. People have idea say obi be kwan amomu. It's a cartel. Omesa Sacrif we mo is a night club for ma. And be man ba Friday on before mo anom de bia ba Saturday on fa bi ko. Night club girls. The omo no on a night club TV. Ayin. Ya be same next week Saturday. We mo ba no mo ko na we mo so aba na yi kakra de abehyehyehye. Damn it, the same strategy da. Bibi foforo bia ma ya. Yo mo a. There's no new idea. But the last time you said this, and you are acting as if you don't like the NDC. But no, let me tell you, Me, I hate AKUFO. I understand, but I will not allow you to come here and lie to the people. But the last time you were contradicting yourself. I am not contradicting yourself. Senior. You are my senior at the bar. I don't want us to say things on TV that we cannot dirty ourselves. Please, Mr. Nwaku, can you say something? Thank you very much, Samson. And I also thank your viewers for listening to us. What I want to say about this Hamas and Israel-American war and the Iranian war is that you can see from our side as a sovereign state, as Ghana, we have looked at this situation very well. In fact, the United States of America were not supposed to take that decision, because when you look at Ablakwa and his decisions as the foreign minister, no, the Babi see Ablakwa, and then when you look at Ablakwa's posture, normally you see a government going into negotiations without a second plan. So if you number questions, please, that is wrong. Ablakwa never said that. In fact, let me clarify what Ablakwa said. I have a document. Let me read. But Samson said, please, this show, we cannot destroy the show, please. Oh, why are you? Oh, what? We are. Oh, we will take a commercial break. We will be back. Please, the viewers, we'll be back. Sa kwasi asem say no asa the advert for flashim no asaba.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edu Boahen, Alajete, J.A. Akufo, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,